हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम मोनिका और आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसे डायरेक्टर है जिन्होंने सिर्फ 2 मूवी की एंड नाउ ही इज ऑन अनदर लेवल। जी हाँ, ही इज नन अदर देन द वेरी टैलेंटेड उमंग कुमार विद अस। थैंक यू सो मच कमिंग इन फिल्मी मंत्रा।
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so talking about your both the movies, Mary Com and this thing, how it happened? Like
Uh,
from art director to this thing journey, art director to director, how it happened?
my life has been a very different variation in. Sorry, in my life there was a lot of variation. Basically, from hosting of a game show called Ek Minute, and that was my first set.
Oh.
And then going behind the scenes and making sets for different people until I started making sets for movies. And I've been. My mom and dad are from Pune Institute acting, so it's like in the blood. Acting was always there. Thought that I would be an actor, but yes, hosting shows became my forte, and because I was in advertising, sets became my forte also. So it just went hand in hand throughout. While making all different type of sets, I was doing movie sets, and suddenly I came to know, okay, the actors are there, but I can also make them act. Then I started writing scripts, and Simon came up with the idea of my writer, who came up with the idea of Mary Com, and then Sanjay Leela Bansali asked, "What am I doing? I mean, art direction to chhod raha hai, to kya kar raha hai?" So I said, I want to direct this film." So he said, "Okay, I'll produce it." So he produced Mary Com, and then Mary Com won a national award,
Yeah.
and that was like a major high for the whole unit and everyone, and Priyanka Chopra and all. And after that, I was not going to do another biopic till Sandeep Singh, who's my partner of Legend Studios, he came and said, "You have to do this film." I said, "No, I cannot do one more biopic. It's not." I heard the script, which was about to be made 4 years earlier, but when Sarabjit was alive, but Sarabjit passed away and the movie got shot. So Sandeep came up with the thing that you should do this film. I saw Dalbir Kaur's video and I was like shocked by, my God, she's some lady, and if I don't make this film, who else? So I said, okay, bhad mein gaya. People will talk about that I'm a biopic director. I don't care, but I need to make this film anyhow, and that's why I started Sarabjit. Sarabjit, yes, getting in the long list of Oscars, it's a dream come true. It's a dream come true for everyone who's worked so hard on this film. Be it Dalbir Kaur ji also and the whole family, be it Randeep Huda, Aishwarya, Richa, Darshan, my writer Utkarshini, Rajesh Berry, my wife who's worked in the production design. Everybody is so happy. Why? Because it's not the official entry of India's Oscar
Yeah.
list, but Vashuji thought that he believed in the films in such a way that he told Jackie and Honey that this should be a separate entry. And he's told me that we're entering. I said, okay, and it's hota na, chalo theek hai, you enter it. And we've all forgotten about it. Until last week when I was doing a recce for my next film in Agra, and somebody suddenly just called up and messaged me, "Congratulations, sir." I said, "For what? Congratulations." Sir, Oscar. I said, "What Oscar?" "Sir, Oscar list mein aaya hai, Sarabjit." I said, "It must be a hoax. Don't." So I asked my PR, "Please check, like kya hai." So in the Oscar list, yes, they double check on the website. It was there that Sarabjit is in the 336 films we are shortlisted, and so is MS Dhoni, and it's a proud moment for both of us. Everybody's happy. Dalbir called me up. Badai ho, hamari puri pind. It's a happily finally justice has been done.
Yeah.
Not the Indian awards, but whatever. Oscar में आना ही बड़ी बात है. And जीता ना जीता, that's far away. But yes, coming to the list is a proud moment for us.
ओके, सो आपने 2 बायोपिक की, मैरी कॉम और ये, और अब आपने कहा था कि मैरी कॉम के बाद ही आपने सोचा नहीं था कि आप सरबजीत भी करोगे। सो अब जब ये ऑस्कर में आई है तो आगे भी ऐसे कोई चांसेस है अब आप बायोपिक और किसी का ऐसे करना चाहो?
नहीं, एक और बायोपिक होगी, वो मेरी 6th फिल्म होगी. उससे पहले 3 दूसरी पिक्चर्स में बना रहा हूँ. My next film is called Bhumi. It's basically a Sanjay Dutt film. Okay, his comeback film. I'm very excited about that. संजय दत्त जी को अगर देखूंगा स्क्रीन पर और मैं डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो I'm privileged enough to direct him, and he's chosen me as the director. And it's a father daughter story. It's a very intense story. Full Bollywood style है, and ड्रामा है उसमें, गाने वाने सब है, आइटम नंबर भी है इन द फर्स्ट टाइम, लाइक. बट हाँ, एक्टर्स बेस्ट रोल होगा वो मेरी. दैट इज़ माई underlining for all my films. The actor will say that, okay, working in this banner, Legend Studios banner, my role is set for life. It's I'll be known for this movie. So that's my baseline for all the movies that I do.
ओके, सो एज यू सेड कि आपको एक्टर बनना था क्योंकि वो आपके ब्लड में था बट आप नहीं बन पाए। सो आपको कौन से ऐसे एक्टर को आपके मूवी में डायरेक्ट करना, आपको इट्स लाइक योर ड्रीम कम ट्रू कि कब मैं इसके साथ कोई मूवी करूँगा, ऐसे कोई एक्टर है?
Obviously Amit ji hai, because I've been grown up watching him and idolizing him, and yes, all the Khans are also there. One fine day, yes, maybe I'll work with them, but Amit ji to 100%. I want to, like, direct him. I mean, you can't direct him, but you'll just say, okay, roll camera. I say you can't do anything else. Because I've worked with him before on Black as an art director, and being on different shows, so he knows me very well as such. So obviously, directing him will be a dream come true.
ओके, तो सबसे अच्छा काम करके आपको कौन से एक्टर के साथ लगा? प्रियंका चोपड़ा, संजय दत्त, और वेदर इट्स ऐश्वर्या और रणदीप?
संजय दत्त जी तो अभी आगे आएंगे, बट यस, यू कान से कि मेरे को इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा और यहाँ अच्छा, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज ईच फिल्म हैज़ इट्स ओन जर्नी, ओन डेस्टिनी, ओन फन डूइंग इट, ओन जिसका हार्ड वर्क मेरी कॉम में था तो वो पूरा हार्ड वर्क था, डेडिकेटेड कम्प्लीटली। ये नहीं कि मेरी दूसरी फिल्म में ज़्यादा हार्ड, ऐसा नहीं होता। That time PC was everything, because she agreed to do my first film. I've not never directed a film, I never assisted anyone. So she's saying yes, which was a very big thing, and she's a completely dedicated actor. She did full justice to Maricom. Nobody could have done that. Same over here. Randeep, Ash, Richa, Darshan, nobody can do these roles which they have done in this film. And Randeep, how he's lost weight, how he's fully gone into the character in such a way that you cannot see Randeep at all. He's Sarabjit. Same Aishwarya. You cannot see Ash in the film, and that's the best compliment that a director can get. I didn't see Ash. She was a 20-year-old female, and she became 60-year-old. What a transformation that she's done. Hats off to them. And I like such dedicated actor. So each had importance completely in each film. It's not that I can choose anyone.
Okay, so for Bhumi, is Sanjay Dutt was your first choice?
This for Sanjay Dutt is Bhumi. I mean, if there's no other way, because we went to him and he loved the subject straight away. We've never done this film for anyone else. The script was written to approach him. We approached him and he said yes. I was doing my other film called Five, but that got pushed to next October. So he says, "Why are you not directing this?" I said, "Of course, sir. I mean, I would love to direct you." And it's his comeback film, and he trusts this film in such a way that the director gets confident, because he has full faith. And I said 100%. And this film, I would love to see the intensity in his eyes, the way I want an actor to be seen in my film. I think I'll have a great time doing it.
Okay, so after knowing this Sarabjit is in the Oscars list, so with whom you first get connected or share this thing moment, with which actor you share this moment?
Actor nahi, obviously my wife and my mother, because it's a dream that always Oscar के लिए जाएंगे one fine day. It's basically families also wish. So when are you going for Oscars? And after winning a national award, your name gets attached to it, not on any other award. You're a national award winner, or you're an Oscar nominated or Oscar winner. So obviously these two are very big in their nature. You're not working for that, you're making a good film, but if by the time you get an Oscar, who's gonna say no to? And yes, I shared them with my mother and my wife, and then obviously my partner Sandeep saying, and then the thing became viral in such a way that then I said thank you, like Honey and Vashuji and my other producer who's Bhushan Kumar, T Series. Everybody was happy. Everybody was happy, and Aishwarya ji congratulated the entire unit and everyone who's acted. Everybody is. It was not a normal film. Everybody put in their heart and soul in making Sarabjit. It was way beyond than a film. We were doing somebody's film, somebody's life a justice, and then finally getting an Oscar listed is big enough for us.
Okay, so far 2 movies and the pressure is like now after Oscars the pressure must be more high about this Bhumi and your upcoming movie. So do you feel कि अब और भी अच्छा करना है because इतना अच्छा वो already हो चुका है?
नहीं, अगर वो नहीं होता तो भी भूमि अच्छी बनानी चाहिए. इट्स नॉट दैट कि प्रेशर इसके लिए आता है, ऐसा नहीं होता. इट्स जस्ट थप्पा जब मिल जाता है विच इज़ गुड, बट यू फॉरगेट व्हेन यू मेकिंग भूमि. इट्स नॉट दैट मैं नेशनल अवार्ड विनर हूँ या तो ऑस्कर में लिस्ट आया मेरा नाम आया है, ऐसा नहीं होता. फॉर भूमि इट्स अ कम्प्लीटली फ्रेश empty slate that you start on, and you make this happen. You trust only doing Bhumi. You forget everything that you've done or the experience that you had. Bhumi, it is. then उसका आगे ऑस्कर मिला या कुछ हुआ, that is a different thing. You leave it on fate. You make a good film first and an entertaining film that you are proud of.
Okay, so 2016 must be a good one for you this year. So it's now ending. So क्या है आपके न्यू ईयर प्लान्स?
न्यू ईयर 31st प्लान
Yeah.
कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट कहीं जाएंगे, एंजॉय करेंगे, अभी तक कुछ प्लान नहीं है किया है. बट येस, वेर एवर पीसफुल नाइस. आई डोंट ड्रिंक सो इट्स नॉट दैट झूम के ये करेंगे, बट आई एन्जॉय एवरी बिट दैट आई स्पेंड विथ my wife, with anyone, you know, the friends and all. It's like you like being with them, so that is what it's gonna happen. Nothing as big as party ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
ओके, सो 2017 आ रही है, आपकी मूवीज आ रही है, तो अपकमिंग कौन से है भूमि को, भूमि के अलावा?
भूमि के अलावा मतलब भूमि रिलीज होगी August 4th को. I'll straight away get into the next, which I can't disclose the name, but yes. And there is 5, which everyone knows about it. So the 5th film will be 5 finally. So yes, that will be, which will be like a बहुत हटके film है 5. That is what I was working on before, but that will be my 5th film, yes. And after that, maybe a biopic.
ओके, तो योर सिक्स, एज यू सेड, योर सिक्स विल बी बायोपिक, बट ऐसे क्योंकि आपको सिक्स्थ फिल्म ही आपको बायोपिक वापस से करनी है?
No, because the other twos are lined
yeah,
up, so I
lined
can't
up.
do anything about it. So the 3, that Bhumi, one more film, and 5 are lined up, so I can't do anything but in between.
ओके, सो जाते जाते एज यू सेड कि ये सब है, बट न्यू ईयर विशेस दे दो आपके फैंस को.
Thank you for enjoying our films and listening to her and listening to us. And please keep watching our films. And you watch, and we make these films for you guys. So we want to entertain you and have a happy new year in this coming year. Be safe. Don't be sorry. Don't drink. I don't drink. And keep watching our films. Thank you. Hi, I'm Umang Kumar, and you're watching Filmy Mantra. Keep watching.